Hello, this is Mr. Gomez, and by the end of this video, you will know how to set up a Gmail account in Google. In the intermediate and advanced class, you'll be expected to have a Gmail account. If you already have a Gmail account, that's great. Although you may not want to use your personal Gmail account for this class, so you may want to set up one just for this class. So first, as you noticed, I did a Google search. I just typed in Gmail. And I'm just going to go here. I'm going to click on the front page. And I am going to create an account. I can click here. And then that's going to take me to the account creation page. And the information they want is pretty basic. You're going to type your first name and last name here. So, for example, right? Now, when you use your username, more than likely it's not going to be your first name and last name. More than likely that's already been taken. The internet's been around for quite a while now, and a lot of usernames have been taken up. And so you'll need to find one that is very specific to you. And I recommend using a combination of letters and numbers. So let's say I'm going to use Happy Guy. Now let's say I type 2018, Happy Guy 2018. Now I'm going to click down here to create a password, but ooh, look what happened. As you can see, Google is telling you that this username is taken. There already is a Happy Guy 2018. Now sometimes Google will give you some recommendations for usernames. As you can see, there's 3 recommendations right here. And if you want, you can go ahead and use that. If you just click on it, then you will select that one. For example, I clicked on that first one. So there we go, if I wanted to use that. But I really want Happy Guy. So I may have to use a combination of letters and numbers, and maybe even a period. So I'm going to type HAPPY, put period here, guy. And this time I'm just going to pick some random numbers here. So I picked happy.guy6874. And yep, Google is totally okay with that. So I'm going to choose a password. Has to be 8 characters. Now, you'll want to write all this down. Make sure you write down your username and your password on a separate piece of paper, that way, in case you forget. So you're going to write your password, and Google will actually tell you how strong it is, if it's a weak password or if it's a pretty strong password. And yes, you will have to put your birth date in here. That's not my real birth date, by the way. I'm just putting that in as an example. And you can put your gender in here if you want. And I recommend typing in your mobile phone, mainly because if you ever forget your password, you can have Google text you a special code, and you'll be able to get into your account and reset your password. Now, the next item right here really confuses a lot of people. If you already have an email address, excuse me, with Yahoo, or if you have another account, if you have Outlook, then you can put an email address right there in case you lose your password, and you can have it sent there. But you can leave it blank. That is not required. You can actually move on. Okay, so once you click next step, that will take you to the next part of the process. And after this screen, it gets really easy. There's going to be a little bit of fanfare and a welcome message, and then it's going to drop you right into your inbox. So there you go. That is how you create your Google account. It's very easy and it's very free. So I'm going to bring this video to a close, and I will see you next time.